Hey guys, it's Paige. Today I'll be showing you how to do the braid that you guys just saw, and I am super excited because I have been wearing this braid for a really long time and it works with loads of outfits and occasions, and you can make it casual or dressed up. Anyway, I'm super excited and let's just hop right into the tutorial. But first you are going to need a hairbrush and a hair tie. Alright guys, so I just finished the tutorial and this is what the braid looks like. I think it's super cute. You can wear it to many things. You can wear it to school, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to even some fancy occasions. I think it's super cute and very interesting because it's sort of a modern twist on the French braid, except you're using two pieces. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out if you just hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to me. So thank you all so much for the people that subscribed. Let's try to get to my goal of 50 subscribers before the week ends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.